Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on in the ocean's most amazing facts about orcas, nature's master predators. Join us as we uncover a trove of astounding facts that paint a vivid picture of these incredible creatures, rightfully earning their title as nature's master predators. Let's dive in. Number 1. Oceanic royalty. Meet the orca, or Orcinus orca, a species that commands attention with their striking black and white coloration and distinctive dorsal fins. These remarkable creatures, often referred to as killer whales, are undeniably the ocean's royalty, exuding an air of authority wherever they roam. Number 2. Consummate predators, illustrations of orcas hunting various prey. Let's talk dinner plans, or rather, their extraordinary hunting habits. Orcas are consummate predators, boasting a diverse palate that ranges from fish to seals, dolphins, and even larger whales. Their prowess in securing prey is a testament to their unmatched skills in the art of hunting. Number 3. Teamwork in action, orca-pod coordination. Ever witnessed a precisely orchestrated hunt? Orcas redefine teamwork. They navigate the ocean in tight-knit pods, displaying remarkable synchronization and cooperation to tackle formidable prey. This collaborative approach highlights their social dynamics and sophisticated hunting strategies. Number 4. Innovation at sea. Innovation is the heartbeat of survival in the wild. Orcas showcase their ingenuity by developing distinct hunting tactics. Whether it's creating waves to dislodge seals from ice floes or herding fish into a strategic position, their ability to adapt sets them apart as strategic hunters. Number 5. The genius within, orcas engaging in complex behaviors. Brains matter, and orcas are living proof. Their large brains house intelligence that's nothing short of extraordinary. From using vocalizations to communicate intricate messages to displaying curiosity towards their surroundings, their actions reflect a higher level of cognition. Number 6. A dance of predation. Dive beneath the surface to witness the hunt unfold. Orcas showcase their hunting finesse with bursts of speed and precision. Whether they're pursuing prey or engaging in playful exploration, their movements embody a mesmerizing dance of predation. Number 7. Communication, the key to success. Communication is their secret weapon. Orcas use an intricate language of clicks, calls, and vocalizations to coordinate their hunts. This ability to convey messages underwater is crucial for their collective success and highlights their complex social bonds. Number 8. Debunking myths, orcas and humans. Let's dispel some misconceptions. Contrary to myths, orcas aren't man-eaters. Interactions between humans and orcas are rare and often accidental. These majestic beings do not perceive humans as prey, underscoring the importance of understanding their behavior. Number 9. Guardians of ecosystems. Beyond their hunting prowess, orcas play a pivotal role in maintaining marine ecosystems. As apex predators, they help regulate populations, ensuring a balanced oceanic environment. Their presence serves as a reminder of the delicate equilibrium within our oceans. Number 10. Unveiling the masters of the ocean. And there you have it, an in-depth exploration of the remarkable world of orcas, nature's master predators. From their versatile diets to their intricate behaviors, orcas continue to astonish us. Remember, every sighting of an orca is a window into the marvels of the natural world. Until our next aquatic adventure, stay inquisitive, stay captivated, and keep unraveling the mysteries of our ocean's realm. Finally, a serene view of orcas swimming gracefully against the backdrop of the vast ocean, with the sun setting on the horizon. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel.